Hello everyone, Gordon here with Project Peru. Project Peru is something that Ashley Mclean and I are working on to help the conditions here with an indigenous community called the Awajun. Now the Awajun is a tribe that I'm living with here now, and they are the rainforest protectors. They are a protected tribe, but they get no funding from the government. So Ashley and I are going to be starting some projects to help the way of life here. First thing we're going to talk about today is the school and the improvements that we could make here with your help. Let's go ahead. Now the Awajun came up here to the Alto Male Valley 3 generations ago, as they were some COVID-19 news. Because they're at war constantly with tribes on the Ecuadorian border. Now this community is made up of 300 people. I got about 157 children from the ages of 1 to 17 here. Now we do get earthquakes here a lot. Dengue and malaria are a real danger here. So as you can see, there's a lot of issues here. We got tons of leaky spots on the ceiling, and we got mold inside, I'm sure, that we'll see when we go in. There's really nothing here to stop animals, mice, rats, different things from getting in. It could definitely use some upkeep. As you see, termites are brutal here, and they'll just eat away at the wood. As you can see, is what's happening there. So fixing up the foundation of the building is definitely something that we want to definitely look at. Okay, so what we're going to do is I've went ahead and had a meeting with Chief Wahahai, Ronald Wahahai, the principal, and the teachers here about the project that we're doing here for them. And they're very excited to hear about this and welcome our help. So we're going to go ahead inside and take a look at the conditions in there. Okay. Here we go. Come on in. That's Chief Ronald Wahahai. And this is the classroom. So as you can see, there is not much freaking here. They just got a thin divider here. Very few books. Mathematics, level 1. All right. Let's go on into the next one. All right. There we go. Here we go. Everything's all bunched up like this, obviously, because of the virus things going on. So school has been canceled. So now is actually a really great time to be able to get in here, clean this stuff up. You know, and get this ready for when the kids can come back to school and have everything nice and fresh. We got our banyos here. Wells. So we got some water. Banyos are locked right now. And this is the old style banyo. The old hole in the floor style. So, yeah. So, you know, maybe some work on the toilets would be good. And let's go over here to the play area. Yeah, I think what it is they did a grass burn here. They got out of control. So this is our play area. So virtually nothing to play with here. We got a couple of soccer nets. Basketball rims are non-existent. And yeah, it's not a real wonderland for the kids here. So there you have it. Everything's needed here. Again, these people aren't government funded. So we're going to try our best here to help them out with your help and support. Okay, thank you.